So, Tech-N Auto. We're doing a screen replacement on an HP 15 laptop. It's a cracked screen I went install. And you look in the corners up here. And here you will see a black plastic. You use a tweezer to pull it forward. And once you pull it forward, you will hold it and you will lightly pull on it. This is the tape down here. You'll have to remove it like this. And then this area, you pull it down. Here you have it. And you put it down. Front bezel can be installed. First, you remove the plastic. Snap into place from top. This tape. Once the bottom snap in, the screen should be alright. Then you want to snap this area. So it closes on the screen. Then right around. Now you can poke the machine. There you have it.